trying to save your life. Unfortunately, I failed.
A heart-wrenching story, Doctor. But doesn't it prove that you used Emily Miller as a guinea pig to test a dangerous treatment